My name is Daniel Pfarr. I'm a research assistant and PhD student here at the Institute of Building Construction. We are researching and teaching about sustainable building constructions with the focus on glass. My personal research is focusing on thin glass and its application in the building industry. The challenge is that we have a very low geometrical stiffness with thin glass, so we need to think about new solutions and new designs to overcome the big deformation we get. So the idea is to 3D print an open cell core structure, which we bond in the end with a very thin sheet of glass. We get a sandwich element out of that, which is not only very lightweight and very stiff, we can still integrate some building physical functions into the construction itself. 3D printing gives us the flexibility to adapt our design and construction, so we can build more complex structures to be more material efficient. The biggest advantage is the flexibility of the whole system. So not only 3D printing, but also milling and even some other stuff like gluing or other post-processing steps we can do with the machine. We are using it really as a tool for our daily work research. I really enjoyed the work together with CEAD. So from the very first step, or from the very first steps, from planning of the whole project over the realization of the whole system here in Dresden. But still until now, when we are running into a problem, then I think the solution together with CEAD is always very smooth and straightforward. I would say I'm always looking forward to meet up with the guys from CEAD to discuss new projects or to new techniques, or a little bit more nerdy stuff into the technical details of the extruder or something else. So it's always good fun, and I'm really looking into the future to that as well.